Everybody's in a hurry, in a flurry, shopping till they're dropping in. The snow, kids are crying, dogs are barking, catching up with folks we barely know.